MikeBot here. I'm going to be doing a quick little video on the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon screen settings. I have two videos coming out. One of them is the unboxing and the other video is the initial configuration of the Bambu X1 series with AMS. There will be lots of videos on this printer, so stay tuned. So for now, I am just going to go over the screen settings on the X1 Carbon. So I've already gone ahead and inserted an SD card into the little slot here. This is my little TPU protector that I printed on my Ender 5. So on the home screen, you have the light on and off right here. It tells you the Wi-Fi is being connected, the temperature of the extruder, the hotbed temperature, and the chamber temperature right at the bottom here. It also tells you the percentage of the print that's going on, and then you can pause it or stop it as you like. So next, we have settings here. So you got the temperature axis at the beginning here, so right there. So here it tells you the temperature again, the bed temperature, extruder temperature, chamber temperature, fan speeds, and the speed of the printer. So right now it's working in standard. I am just going to put it in sports mode for fun. So that's how you change the speed. Sports mode is really shaking my entire desk. I might have to look into making some modifications on it. Okay, so that's how you do the speed settings. I am actually going to move this back down to, you know what, let's try ludicrous really quick. I'm going to move it back down to sport. Now I'm moving it back down to standard. Okay, so that's the temperature and access panel there. Next we have the AMS panel. So look for my video on to how to load this up. It tells you the temperature of the panel as well. You can load the different filaments there, choose the color. Next we have the utilities. This is where you can calibrate or you can dry your filament in the chamber. And then you got print options. So you got basically, I'll go from the top here, AI monitoring. So right now I have it set to medium. And you have detection of build plate position, first layer inspection, auto recovery from step loss, and cache cloud print from micro SD. So this is where micro SD starts to come in use. So next you go to the folder here. So this is the internal memory. So you have quite a few things you can choose from to print. And then the micro SD card, which I've already formatted, and then the print cache, which is empty. So next we go to this section. So the account, and then general tells you basically your device, your firmware, auto sleep, device info, basically the card. This is where you format the SD card. Then you have video on, and then I set mine to 1080p. You can't use the video without the micro SD slot. So next we have network. You can also connect it to LAN. And then we have maintenance. So you can do your carbon rod clearance tests here, lead screw lubrication. And then if you have your auxiliary parts cooling fan, this is where you can basically set it up, and then it tells you the type of nozzle you're using. So that's basically it from there. I don't know how to display the video actually on the screen. I don't think that's even a function, to be honest. Oh, I forgot to show this function here. So the last part here we have self-test basically. So we got the controller, AMS. These are all, like, if there's any errors or anything, the micro LiDAR, the AP, and the device self-test. So that's basically it for the screen. And there's my print again in action right now. Again, this is standard speed. If I go ludicrous, I don't want to go ludicrous. I want my first print on this thing to be clean. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. This is a quick little short video. There's a lot of longer videos coming out very, very soon. I just need to edit them and upload them, and then I'll start creating different series. Probably quite a few with the AMS, but I have a little issue right now, so I kind of just need to find a new place for everything. Thank you all for watching this quick video. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. MikeBot out.